So here we are in the Stoll CH 750 and coming in on runway 24. We won't be able to demonstrate too much extreme stuff.
Well, you know, we could do, I can land and we can demonstrate, I can show that new system we're going to have up front available.
Sure, why don't we do it?
And I can show you a little bit on that.
So, yeah, we've been experimenting the last year. We've been experimenting replacing the original bungee system, and you know, to talk about the bungee system a little bit, you know, that the simplicity of the bungee system is fantastic. And my dad started using those in the early 1980s, I believe, and had really good luck with them. Although the last 5 years or so, some of them have been breaking, kind of, you know, just for no good reason. We're still not exactly sure why. From best we could figure, it's a manufacturing process that has changed. I know talc has been taken out of a lot of these things because I guess it's supposed to be a carcinogen or something like that. And so they're just not holding up like they used to. So that kind of made us look at alternatives. And we've seen other systems like springs and so forth. And every system has its advantage, disadvantage. The thing about the landing gear system, you want it to absorb as much energy as possible, and so with these rubber puck systems that we have installed on it, we've got really a new system that maximizes the shock absorbance of it, and we have it installed on most of our factory airplanes. We've been testing it and so forth.
This is intentional, okay? Just letting you all know.
Not a bad landing gear, but this just kind of shows what we do with our landing gear system. It's again, in the Stoll airplane, it's kind of unique because, you know, the standard gear configuration on these airplanes is tricycle gear, but you know, and typically when we think of a Stoll off-airport airplane, it's always a tail dragger airplane. But you know, most pilots don't have tail dragger experience. As you can see, when we're doing this, what's fantastic is the forward visibility. You know, we're taxiing here, bouncing around, and we can still see exactly where we're going. And that's so important when you're flying off-airport, because you want to be able to see what's in front of you, whether it's a really short runway, whether there's obstacles, all that type of stuff. So, so we've been flying with this new the shock puck system, and we'll be showing it at Oshkosh for the first time to the public, and I think we're pretty much ready to start delivering it to customers. New customers will get it automatically, and previous customers will make it available as a low-cost kit that they can update their airplane with. Keeping on using the existing bungee, no problem at all to do that. But again, this is something, you know, this is experimental aviation. If we can find a better way to do something, that's what we try to do. So with this new puck system, that's definitely something that we will be looking at, looking forward to talking with customers about and sharing that with customers. I believe the cost is about the same as the bungees, maybe a little bit more, but just hardly more. And we've come up with a retrofit kit so that you can quite easily upgrade your existing Zenith with an existing bungee with this new puck system. And we'll be posting more information on the website and probably doing a little video specifically on the bungees. I like the way you were bouncing that nose wheel. We'll have to find a way to mount a camera in the firewall and go slow motion to see how we compress those bungees. But yeah, as we saw, like, I mean, it definitely works really well. Although again, the older system worked well also. One of the nice things with the puck is more ability to adjust how much spring you get from it, how much bounce, how much softness. So again, you know, with different Zenith, with different engines and so forth, different weights on the firewall, we can really customize that a little bit better than before.